Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll learn how to add a story on TikTok. To do so, go to your TikTok application and then on the bottom right corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now you'll reach to your profile. Tap on the plus button on the bottom center. Now you can see three options on the bottom that says camera, story and templates. Tap on story and then tap on upload. Select any image or videos you want to upload as a story. If you want to select multiple files, set the option that says select multiple. Now select multiple files and then tap on next. You can also add text, filter or enhance your image here. On the top, you can see music icon. From there, you can also select the music. Finally, when you're done with everything, you can tap on your story and now you have successfully added your story on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar content.